Welcome to Connect BK Speak.
A fun day at the shopping mall. On the Saturday, Maya and her friend Sam decided to visit the new shopping mall in their town. They were excited because they had heard so many good things about it. As they entered the mall, they were amazed by how big and bright it was. The first thing they noticed was the wide variety of stores. They saw stores selling clothes, shoes, books, electronics, and even toys. Maya and Sam decided to start with the clothing stores. They tried on different outfits and had a lot of fun showing each other their new looks. After some shopping, they felt hungry. They went to the food court, which was filled with many different food options. Maya chose a slice of pizza, and Sam picked a big burger. They sat down to eat and talked about all the things they wanted to do next. With their stomachs full, they decided to check out the entertainment options. They went to the movie theater inside the mall and bought tickets to watch the latest animated film. The movie was funny and they laughed a lot. After the movie, they visited the arcade. Sam loved playing video games, while Maya enjoyed the claw machine. She was thrilled when she managed to grab a cute stuffed animal. The mall also had a beautiful indoor playground. They watched as kids climbed, slid, and played. It made the mall feel even more lively and fun. Before leaving, they visited a small ice cream shop. They each got a big scoop of their favorite flavors. Maya chose chocolate, and Sam chose strawberry. They sat on a bench, enjoying their ice cream and the lively atmosphere of the mall. As the day ended, Maya and Sam felt happy and content. They had shopped, eaten delicious food, watched a movie, played games, and enjoyed ice cream. The new shopping mall had everything they needed for a perfect day out. They promised each other to come back soon and explore more of the mall's wonders. Thank you for watching.